How do I find the right career for me? In this video, we look at the 5 key principles in making a great career choice that you can use right now. And I've included a bonus section with my recommendations on how to research your decisions at the end of the video. I'm David O'Sullivan, and I've travelled to many parts of the world helping people find, enter and succeed in their own careers. So welcome to Skillstreet, and this is my channel where we explore all things career related, especially on how to, so you can find, enter and succeed in your own career. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5P model of career discovery to help you find your ideal job. And using these key principles, you'll be able to dig right into the core components of a great career choice. So what are the 5Ps? These are the areas you need to consider when you're looking for your dream job. And in fact, any of your career decisions can be based on your choices in these 5 key areas. So here they are. Passion, the areas you'd love to work in. Purpose, your values and motivations as they apply to your life and the work you do. Performance, the skills you want to learn and use and the ones you really don't. Place, the type of environment you want to work in. And finally, people, the people who inspire and motivate you, your tribe. By looking at these 5 areas, you'll have explored all of the key points in choosing a great dream job. So that's what this video is about, and if that's not enough to keep you going, stick around to the end and I'll give you those research tips that can save you hours and hours of ineffective searching on the internet. And while you're watching, let us know which of the 5Ps is most important to you and why in the comments below. So here's what I'd like you to do to get the most out of this video, and it's really easy. Grab some paper and a pen, and as you watch, write down your thoughts. At the end, we'll pull it all together to find the right career for you. So let's jump into the first P, passion. And this is the one you really want to get right. So let's get your thoughts on these. There's 6 different work types, and I want you to write down the keywords that help explain how you might be interested in each one. When you're done, put the work types in order of most interest to you. These will be really helpful later on. First, let's understand why this is so important. Here's a quick fire look at some numbers. Average degree, 40 to 60k plus expenses. Average time at uni, 4 years. Average length of a trade qualification, 3 years. Average hours at work per year, 2,080. 1/2 of your waking hours are spent at work. Imagine for a minute not doing something you are passionate about and motivated by. There's a word for this type of work, and it's called survival. And that's exactly what we're trying to help you avoid here. On the sunny side of the same street, finding something you love doing and are interested and passionate about creates all sorts of positive vibes in your work and life. Here's our first recommendation. Always seek out your passions as the key building blocks to a successful and personally rewarding career. Here are the different work types. See if you can identify the groups you're most attracted to. There are 6 key work types. And just to keep you in the loop, most career choices are made up of a combination of these. We'll look at these combinations later. For now, just focus on those 6 areas and which ones interest you. Creative. People who work in this space love expression, design, innovation, imagination. They're creators of new things, new ways of expressing themselves, ideas and concepts. They're often attracted to the arts, different forms of expression. Some examples include designers, all types of media, arts, architecture, marketing. Investigation and problem solving. People who work in this space like science, research, analysis, data and information to think critically and solve problems. A few examples are scientists, analysts, researchers. They may focus on solving the big problems like climate change. Helping people. Like working with a community to provide assistance. They often measure value by the outcomes gained from the help they provide. Examples are teachers, nurses, doctors, life coaches, medics, advisors. Practical. These people love working with things they can touch or do physically. They're often outdoors working with machinery, animals, plants. They value common sense and approach things logically. They're can-do types of people. Vets, machine operators, tradespeople, gardeners, farmers, they're just some examples. Enterprising. People who work in this space like to sell, persuade, influence, lead. They're often energetic and value communication and strategy. These people often have roles in areas like business, politics and sales. Organisers. In this area, you'll find people who are attracted to using systems and process. They add structure to information. They value organisation and logic. They enjoy roles like network operators, accountants, project managers, data mappers. So which groups are you most naturally attracted to? Rank them 1 to 6. 1 being the area you're most interested in, down to 6, the one you're least interested in. Pause here and get your ideas down about work types. You're looking for keywords to describe how you'd like to use the different work types and then rank them in order of importance. Once you're done, jump back in and let's look at the second P, purpose. So what is purpose in regards to a career choice? It's your own personal motivations and values as they apply to you and your career. These include things that are important to you, like how you'd like to be treated at work, how you're rewarded, how you can balance life and work, and considers the result of the work you do and how it affects things like financial reward, other people, or even the environment. So let's get into our examples. Enjoyment. I enjoy what I do each day, where I'm naturally curious and interested to learn more. My career has to be something I'm passionate about. Shared purpose. I have to work for a company that has similar values and beliefs to mine. Positive impact. I want to work in a career that has a positive impact that comes from the work I do. Personal. My work allows me to achieve things in my career that are important to me, my own personal goals. Challenge. I need to work in a career that is challenging, where the work I produce is measured on the quality of my work and the outcomes I achieve. Responsibility. I want to have some control in the decisions being made and the outcomes produced from the work I do. Independence. I need to have the independence to control the work I do and how I do it. Recognition. I want to be recognised and appreciated for who I am and the work I do. Cooperation. I want to work in a team that achieves results together, where teamwork and collaboration are valued. Financial reward. I want to be in a competitive environment where my high performance and achievements are financially rewarded. Lifestyle. I want to be able to create a balanced lifestyle for myself between work and my life. Innovation. I want to have a career where I'm able to find new solutions and create new things. Hey, well done. Pause the video here and finish your thoughts on the values that are important to you. And now let's check out the third P, place. Here we go. Get down your answers or ideas for the questions on place and pay attention to when certain questions have positive or negative effects on you. Identifying the right place to work is really important for your overall happiness. Too many people work hard to find a career they love and forget to check out the place or the environment their jobs are going on. So let's have a look at the workplace and help you identify some of the things that are important to you so you make your own career decisions. Here's our dozen quick-fire questions to help you find the place you'd enjoy working in most. These questions are designed to get you thinking about where you might work and the type of preference you'd like to see in a workplace. So here we go. Doing this now will help you with your career choices now and in the future as you job search. So let's jump in. So place. Let's start with the easy ones. Where would you most like to work? Inside, outside, mix of both? Where would you like your office to be? At home, local, in the nearest city, or international? How willing are you to move for the right opportunity? Not willing? Possibly? Or yes, for sure? How'd you like to dress for work? In your pajamas? Casual? Professional? What would your ideal workplace look like? Would it be a home office, boutique, or a consultancy? What type of vibe would suit you? Relaxed, casual, or professional? What are the tools and technology you'd like to use? Just make a list of these now. What are the rewards or benefits that are most important to you? Like holidays, bonuses, healthcare, family-friendly hours, or a type of professional development? When will you work? Are they regular hours, part-time hours, shifts, or do you get to manage your own time? What type of company are you most interested in working for? Is it an established reputation? Is it new and innovative, or boutique and niche? Professional, scientific, or even community focused? How will decisions get made? Do you get to make them, or do you have some involvement? Or do you just complete the work that's given to you? What's the focus? Is it details, creativity, high performance, or profit? Bonus question. Is there any other keywords you can think of that help describe the place you'd like to work? Pause here and add any more info on place. Hey, there's only 2 parts left. Remember to stick around to the end where we pull it all together for you and share our bonus material on how to research your career. Let's have a look at people. I'll throw up a couple of questions from our course, How to Find a Career You'll Love, and all you need to do is jot down a few thoughts as they pop up. Approximately 40% of people who leave their job leave because of the people they work with or for. So choose well here and you can look forward to work on Mondays and being part of a great team. So how to find your people? How do you find your tribe? Here I always imagine a group of surfers chasing big waves. They share a passion for danger, adrenaline and exhilaration. They're highly dedicated to their cause and are always watching weather patterns for the next big swell. They're experienced surfers, but they'll have a range of different skills. Imagine board design or jet ski rescue, predicting weather, and of course board repair. Look, it's a bit of an extreme example, but it explains a tribe well. So let's see if we can find yours. What are the shared values, the common skills, the passions, qualifications or life experiences? What would motivate them? Let's get your thoughts here. Number 1, what would motivate your tribe? Would it be the latest video game, a new discovery, architecture, maybe a blog about design? 2, what problems would they solve? 3, what would they like to achieve or accomplish in their career? 4, what type of qualifications do they have? 5, what type of knowledge or experience have they got? What do they want? 6, what are the most important traits in a leader they'd like to follow? Is it attitude? Is it knowledge, ability, or purpose? 7, if you all got together socially, what 3 things would you talk about? 8, what would you be excited to visit? 9, what would they enjoy doing as a group? 10, how could you tell your tribe apart from other tribes? 11, is there anything else about the tribe that's important to you? Pause to complete your answers on people here before we jump into the last P, performance. And welcome to the last of the 5 principles. This one's performance. And this is where you describe how you want to perform the work you do in your career. This section's been left to last on purpose, and hopefully lots of little clues have been left as we've worked through all of the previous principles for finding your career. Now, performance is very important because it helps you identify what skills you want to use on a day-to-day basis. And if you get this section right, at the very least, the activities you do and the responsibilities you have can be achieved by using skills you enjoy using. Now, no job's going to give you 100% free rein on that. Everyone's got duties they have to perform to complete their work. Off the top of my head, I still have admin, wages, invoicing and stock take. All of that I find a little tedious, but most of my job I love, and that's the key. Let's look for an 80-20 rule here. If you can find a job where you get to use the skills you love 80% of the time, you've found a real sweet spot. A dream job's a job that's built around your 5 principles with passion and performance as the core building blocks. Dream job's the type of job you aspire to in your career. It's the job you're most interested in. So here we go. This is where we pull it all together. You've now ideas on your passion, what you're interested in, your purpose, your why, your motivations and values, place, where you'd like to work, and people, who you'd like to work with, your tribe. Performance is your how to do the work you want to do. These are the skills you want to use or learn. Okay, here we go. Grab your pen and circle any keywords or themes, especially around your passion and purpose. Look for ideas that are important to you or the words that keep popping up. Once you've identified keywords or themes, open up your search engine. Put careers in or careers working with into the search bar and then add your keywords. We are looking for your career or dream job now. Check the search results for any careers or job titles you're interested in as they pop up. And when you see options you like, make sure you write them down. Keep your eyes open for any recommendations in the results. Look for autofills right under where you're typing, or related searches. These usually are in a box or table form in the main search results. Once you find some career options worth exploring, start to drill down towards skills And here's how you do it. Try search terms like jobs in or jobs related to, and add the career ideas you've found. Once you find job titles that you like, try one of these searches, job descriptions for or responsibilities of, and then add that job title. Now search for key tasks or the skills needed, and then add your job title. Once you have a list of skills in a job you'd like to have, congratulations, you've found a potential dream job and a career goal. Complete your search now by checking out place, people and purpose, especially the ones that are most important to you. Use searches like qualifications needed or best companies in, and then add that job title, salary range, job prospects, check them all out. And there you go. The research takes a little bit of practice, but you'll have done something that very few people do, and that's to fully explore what their career choices are made of. So that's a great snapshot of what makes up your big career choice. And before I share the bonus material I promised, if you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to see a new video every week on all things careers and job search. And if you want to know more about finding the right career for you, there's a link below to the full course, which will take you step by step with detailed video instruction, resources and worksheets. And here's the bonus material I promise to help you research your career choices even further. You've already identified possible dream jobs and explored the 5 P's of a great career choice. Now here's our bonus 5-step decision-making process to get you even closer to making your big career choice before you invest a heap of time, money and effort getting there. Number 1, list any remaining questions that are important to you that are still outstanding from the 5 P's that will help you make your decision. Number 2, identify anyone you know who is doing the job you've chosen as a potential dream job. If you don't know anyone, list the people you think that could introduce you to them. Number 3, introduce yourself or ask for an introduction. Let the person know you're exploring your career options and are really interested in the job they do as a career choice. Ask if you could have 20 minutes of their time to ask a few important questions to help you make your big career decision. Number 4, ask your questions and remember to start with the most important ones first, just in case you run out of time. Number 5, now compare the answers for someone working in your career to your desktop research. Does it feel right to you? Is it a good match? If it does, you've just got a very strong contender for your dream job. And if not, keep dialing in on the desktop research to find another option. Remember, well-considered and investigated career choices can save you so much time, money and effort, not to mention all the benefits of making a great choice. So that's a wrap. Reach out to us at Skillstreetorg for more great career info, and remember to check out the course or subscribe for all our latest videos.